Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to download conversation in PDF from Chatgpt. So for this, I am here on chatgpt.com and these are all the conversations that I have. So I will go with this conversation here and let's say we want to download it. So generally, you cannot download the conversation. Yes, you can copy the link if you want to share it with someone. Now, if you want to really download the PDF, so for this, first of all, you need to select all the text from top to bottom. Once all the text is selected, now right click on it and then click on copy like this. Now open the Word and simply press Ctrl plus V so all the text will be pasted here. Let me press Ctrl plus V. Okay, so now as you can see the text is pasted here, and now you can click on file in the left side and then click on export, and from there you can download it as PDF. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel.